Hello, wanted to do a video regarding the new, or my new, OpenSPOT Pro 4. I want to use it with my Icom radio and not have any extra radios and be able to basically program this from the radio without having to connect to my computer or to my phone each time. I found some videos online which are really easy about how to get your OpenSPOT connected to your radio, but there's not really that many videos, or they're not very clear on the process of using your Icom radio to connect to a Brandmeister server and then into a talk group. And I think that's the important bit that wasn't obvious to me. So what I've done on the radio, and I'll show you on my laptop how I've programmed this, but I've got different, so the OpenSPOT 4 Pro is already programmed in here. I'll link below to a video that I used on how to do that. But then you can see through here, I've got just a couple of basic reflectors and the Brandmeister connect as well. So what I can do then is go to Brandmeister, select it, key up.
OpenSPOT connected to Brandmeister 2341.
So once it's connected to Brandmeister, you then need to connect to the talk group. Now, sometimes you might hear it automatically connect because I've already done it in the background, but what you can do then is select the talk group 91, key up, and that's then connected to talk group 91. Now, there might be some people talking at some point in this. So you can then disconnect through the radio, and I've got that programmed as well. But I've also got another way programmed that you can just tap this power button 3 times. And then it disconnects
4000
from the talk group or the reflector that you're on. So if I then go here, actually I can just dial it and connect to reflector 30, key up.
OpenSPOT connected to REF030 Charlie.
So the D star's fine, that just connects normally. It's the Brandmeister that you need to connect to the server first, then you need to connect to the talk group. So let me show you how I've done that on my computer. So these are just some basic commands that I've got set up. So you go into digital and your call sign, and then I've just got this information, which is the most basic information I think I've started out with. So I'll start adding some talk groups and reflectors into this. So what you've got at the top is your CQ, just so when you use the repeater, you can again use that dial on the top just to be able to select that and talk on it without reconnecting. Then you've got Brandmeister. So again, I've put that as a call sign BM2341. So that connects to the Brandmeister system. And then I need to go into the talk group. So it's just 91, 2359 for another talk group that I use. And then I've just put the name in here so I know what they're referring to. So you can connect on there. It actually connects sometimes to multiple talk groups. Once you're connected to the Brandmeister, which it shows on the software here. And basically it shows further down the bottom here where you are connected. So going back, I've got the reflector set up on D-Star as well, just because it's a nice convenient system to be able to use the dial and scroll through to different reflectors. So that's basically it. That's how you program your radio to control your OpenSPOT 4 Pro without having to access the computer. Once you've done it on here, you won't need to do it again unless you want to add in some additional talk groups, which again, you can do from the radio. It's just not as easy as doing it from the laptop. Anyway, hope this helps you understand how to program the Icoms to control the OpenSPOT 4.